Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the eFootball game on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to play the eFootball game on your PC, you will need to install the Android emulator. So open up your web browser first and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for the BlueStacks emulator, from which you can directly click on the download button at the home page to download the latest version. Make sure you download the latest version, as older versions might not support latest games. Once the installer has been downloaded, just open up the downloaded file and click through the next buttons to install the BlueStacks emulator on your device. Once the emulator has been installed, you can open it up and you will gain access to your Android home screen. From your Android home screen, tap on System Apps and tap on Play Store, and now you will need to log into your Google account to use the Google Play Store. Just use your Google credentials, and once you are logged in, you can tap on the search box and then type in eFootball and start your search. Once you find the eFootball game, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the eFootball game on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when the installation is done, you will see the play button. So tap on the play button and this will open up the eFootball game on your device. And once you open up the game, you can proceed with choosing your team and directly start playing your game and enjoying it on your PC as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the eFootball game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.